Hi guys, how you doing? It's just me in my room. I've decided to go and have a deeper cleansing facial done because obviously, as you know, I always talk about all the beautiful treatment that we perform, or that I perform, or my other colleagues perform, but we never talk about the power of a good old-fashioned deeper cleansing facial, which I absolutely love. You know, steam extractions. We open the pores, we use steam, and we extract. Obviously, everything needs to be extracted. So I'm gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna kind of video a little bit and record a little bit of the process just to show you guys that yes, all the treatment that we perform are fantastic, but a good old-fashioned deeper cleansing facial is very, very effective, and it's something that I tend to do once a month, every month. In fact, as you can see, I have something going on here, and I've got a little bit of few pores going on, so it's not a lot because my skin is pretty good, but I have a few things that need squeezing. So my gorgeous Mary will do that for me today. Enjoy the video. Bye. Hi guys, I'm downstairs now in one of the treatment rooms. I'm here with gorgeous Mary, and she will perform the deeper cleansing facial for me, and we're gonna take you through the steps.
Perfect, thank you, Flavio. Relax the client now. Chill out. Completely. Again. Last one. Doing the first cleanser. Second cleanser. Exfoliation. Now we're going to take the scrub and the exfoliator. This is nice to removing the exfoliate, and at the same time it removes the dead skin. The skin in order to prepare for the extraction.
Mary starting the extraction. As you can see, Flavio does have amazing skin, but we will still need to remove the congestion because it's been about a month since his last deep pore cleansing facial.
Now we're going to use the needle to reach the spot. We're going to pierce it, and then we're going to squeeze. See it's a little bit flat, but now after this we're going to use the high frequency in order to kill bacteria, and the swelling is going down. I think it liberates a little bit the sebum, the dead skin. going to do the high frequency to kill bacteria, to make the blood circulation improve more, to oxygenate the skin, close the pores also. Re-emphasizing the area where we need more extraction. SKYMED with hyaluronic and vitamin C in order to do the LED mask.
Mary, the LED mask is left on for what, between 12 and 20 minutes, depending on skin type.
Yeah, we're going to leave 20 minutes in order
Perfect.
to calming. We start with the red light and then we end it with blue.
Perfect.
But when you lift your head, please, fine. Thank you very much. How do you feel?
Very good, thank you.
Wow. You can turn the light off and we're going to leave you to relax now for 20 minutes. Are you comfortable?
I'm very comfortable, thank you very much.
After the massage,